tester what we are going to use it for, the compression and the shear strength calculation. So this is the tester. So first of all, why we need to use the tester, that is very important. So while pouring the molten metal into the mold cavity, the lot of pressure will going to release. So the compression and shear strength present in the molding sand, it is very important. So in order to calculate the compression and the shear strength present in the molding sand, this is the tester what we are going to use. So this is called it as the test pads, and this is called it as the UTM machine. So from the UTM machine we are applying the certain amount of pressure to note down what is the strength of the molding sand. In the similar way as it is in the permeability tester, we are prepared the sample for both compression and the shear strength experiment. So this is the sample what we are prepared, and the sample it is having the height of 5.08 and the diameter of 5.08 meters, 5.08 centimeters. Now take the sample and first fix the pads inside the UTM machine. Then place the prepared sample in between the UTM test pads. Now carefully place the test sample in between the pads, and this is the indicator this used for measuring the compression and shear strength. So here this indicators shows 100 into shear strength for gram per centimeter square. So that means after we are applying the pressure, then molding the sample will going to break. After that you need to multiply with 100 for getting the shear strength in terms of gram per centimeter square. Now we are applying the pressure. Now the sample is completely broken. Now we are now drawing the reading, that is called the black one. So that is called, it is having the reading of, okay, so this is the noted down reading. So then you need to multiply with 100 to get the actual compression strength in terms of gram per centimeter. So similar similarly, the red needle, it is used to measure for the shear strength. So the experiment is similar in the same way of compression strength. First we need to prepare the model. So once we prepare the model, then it is placed in between the universal testing machine test pad, and we need to apply the pressure by relieving the handle. So then we need to note down the reading with the red needle. So this is the test pads what we are going to use for shear strength.